Imagine being able to heal yourself without medicine, without expensive treatments. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that thousands of years ago, people used a hidden power within them to cure sickness, erase pain, and even recover from what seemed like incurable diseases? Ancient civilizations knew a secret that modern science is only just starting to understand. Your mind has the power to heal your body. And today you're going to learn how to unlock this hidden ability inside of you. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes you'll discover how to activate your subconscious mind to bring health, energy, and strength into your life, starting today. Egyptians believed in the power of words and visualization to heal. They built healing temples where the sick would lie down, listen to chants, and imagine themselves healed. Modern science proves that visualization triggers real changes in the body, just like the placebo effect. Lesson: what you believe about your health shapes your reality. Another example: a person peacefully reciting Quranic verses, hands raised in dua with a calm, glowing atmosphere around them. In Islam, words hold immense power, and reciting specific verses is believed to bring healing, peace, and protection. Scientific studies show that reciting calming words or prayers can lower stress, reduce anxiety, and even promote faster healing in patients. Lesson: the words you focus on, especially those filled with faith and belief, can shape your mind, body, and overall well-being. Islam is a great religion that emphasizes faith, peace, wisdom, and self-improvement. The Greeks discovered that in a deeply relaxed state, hypnosis, the subconscious absorbs powerful suggestions. They used this to heal pain, trauma, and even mental illness. Today, doctors use hypnosis to cure phobias, chronic pain, and even speed up surgery recovery. Lesson: when you deeply relax, your mind becomes 10x more powerful. Let's talk about how you can activate your healing power today. 3 simple steps to heal with your mind. 1. The healing word method. Before sleep, repeat: every day I'm getting healthier and stronger. Why? Your subconscious absorbs these words while you rest. 1. The deep relaxation trick. Sit quietly, breathe deeply, and visualize a golden light flowing through your body. Why? This shifts your mind into a healing state, just like the Greeks use. 1. The mind movie technique. Every night, picture yourself full of energy, happy, and completely healthy. Why? Your subconscious will start making it real. Why does this work? Your subconscious is ancient, powerful, and limitless. When you give it the right instructions, it will heal, strengthen, and transform your body. You've just uncovered the lost secrets of mental healing. But what about success? Did you know that your subconscious mind can be programmed like a millionaire's brain, even if you're broke right now? In the next episode, I'll show you how to reprogram your mind for wealth, success, and unstoppable confidence. So hit like and subscribe to Wealth Unlocked.